there, my name is Nicole Glass. It is raining outside, it is pouring, but I'm out here anyway taking photos. So today I wanted to take the opportunity to tell you a little bit about how you can be creative in the rain with your photography. So let's get right into it. Look for reflections. Maybe you have a building reflecting in the water, and you can see if you can get a really nice building or popular landmark reflecting through that puddle. When it's raining, you can also get creative with umbrellas, especially if you have a colorful umbrella. You can use that as a prop, you can have people do poses with the umbrella, and you can just have fun with it. You can also look for wet windows, and you can take really fun photos of people behind these windows, or just look out of a wet window and take an interesting photo of the drops coming down. You can be very creative with pretty much anything that you have. After it rains, or even while it rains, you might find a lot of water droplets on blades of grass and on leaves, and if you crouch down and really examine them, those water droplets can be really beautiful. Right now, I actually just found a couple of dragonflies sitting on the blades of grass right between the water droplets, and you can get awesome shots. So if you have a macro lens, make sure to bring that as well. Towards the end of the rain, wait for the light to emerge. Sometimes when it's still raining, the sun will come out a little bit further away and create a beautiful rainbow. So don't let a little bit of rain keep you inside. Make sure to go out there, take some creative photos, take advantage of your day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button below. That will motivate me to produce more content like this. And let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want me to make in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.